Hello, and welcome to another FHIR for Developers tutorial video. My name is Gino Canessa. Today we're doing another short video on installing a local test server. Today we're going to look at Spark, which is originally done by FHIRly and right now is maintained by Incindy. So, as usual, let's jump right in. I'll put the links in GitHub, link from the video as always, but you can see here I'm just starting with a search, Spark FHIR GitHub, and this time I specifically put FHIR. If you have a product name like Spark that's more generic, you'll definitely get better hits that way. We can go ahead and open up their GitHub page, and we can see there's all the source code, everything, passing tests, the general info. They do have their disclaimer here. Make note that these are reference implementations, shouldn't be used out of box in production, in particular around security. And then we can see they have their Docker images here. Now they don't have these Docker images posted on Docker Hub. So you can see we're just, their commands here are to curl the Docker compose file and then use Docker compose to pull it up. This is actually slightly out of date because Docker compose is now in the main Docker CLI. So I'm going to go ahead and copy that, but I'm going to paste it off screen so that I can change those and separate out into two lines because the security on my computer complains if I try to download a file and execute the file. So we can see we just downloaded the file here. If we look, we can look inside that file. What is it? I think that works on here, yes. So you can see it's pretty straightforward, just a Docker file. That it's built on top of MongoDB and everything else. So there's two services that'll be running here. So if I remember correctly now, we can paste Docker Compose up. So the command they have you copy is this, using the Docker Compose CLI, but I believe this works now. Yes, and that is the preferred. And here we can see I went and deleted the images because in all these videos I've been saying, oh, if you don't have them, you'll download them. But I decided to show the process here. You can see it goes pretty quickly. I have pretty decent internet here, but that all came up and everything is up and running. So at this point, we should be able to, they do say in the web page here, that it comes to localhost 5555, and we could open a new tab, but I have a different browser profile for localhost things. And you can see here, there's the Spark server, there's the resources, the API, the login, and there's the endpoint. So if we go and do a command here, and I don't have Postman up and running yet for some reason, so that'll take just a second to come up. And once that's up, we can paste in our localhost URL. Let me bring the window over. And yeah, dismiss this for right now. Add /metadata. And we should get back our capability statement. You can see we're running Spark. FHIR version is 4.01. Reference implementation. Built by FHIR, that's FHIRly's previous name, and go from there. So I will note here on this one, this is how to bring it up Docker. They do have, if you look through the repo, how you can quickly go and, there you go, the quick start tutorial, add NuGet packages to a .NET web framework, and you can see, go through the whole thing, and then you can bring your own up here. But this is kind of the minimal tutorial video, just showing how to get it up in Docker. So there you have it. Again, just a couple of minutes, and you're up and running with your test server. So again, thumbs up. Content helps. Let me know. And if you have any questions or comments, let me know as well. Thanks. Cheers.